And now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has defended his administration's economic reforms, declaring that Nigeria is beginning to record measurable gains despite the hardship associated with policy adjustments. The president spoke at the National Convention of the All Progressive Congress held at the Eagle Square, where party delegates and leaders from across the country gathered to deliberate on the party's future and national development. Here is the report as packaged by Maliki Duru.
President Tinubu described the fourth Elective National Convention of the party as a defining chapter in Nigeria's democratic journey and the evolution of the ruling party. He emphasized that unity remains the party's greatest strength and a necessary foundation for national progress. The president further emphasized that Nigeria is transitioning from economic instability to growth and resilience.
Creativity, innovation, digital fluency, enterprising spirit, and the courage are our greatest national asset. This party must continue to open more doors for our youths.
Also speaking at the convention, Chairman of the Progressive Governors Forum, Senator Hope Uzodinma, said the administration's reforms were laying the groundwork for long-term prosperity, while Minister of Finance, Wale Edun, noted that the economic growth has strengthened from about 2% to roughly 4% annually.
The foundation for a more stable, productive, and prosperous economy is being firmly laid. The direction is clearer, the reform logic is stronger, and the prospects for long-term growth and development are brighter. What leadership requires is not merely the ability to manage the present, but the wisdom to prepare the future.
And go all the way to growth, to jobs, to reduction of poverty, to a $1 trillion economy, a vibrant economy. And of course, you are doing it by leading us in the area of power and energy, a huge program with the World Bank.
We've invested in providing sustainable livelihood to our citizens. More specifically, we have been significantly improving in all spheres of administration. Agriculture and livestock sectors have also been impacted.
In his acceptance speech, the national chairman, Professor Nentewe, promised not to disappoint the party during the election.
Let me assure you that we'll make our party a home where every member will belong and be able to have his best, where every voice will be heard and where every dream will count. And our mission is clear, that together we'll build a pan-African and pan-Nigerian party that is stronger, transparent, and inclusive.
I make this passionate appeal with urgency. As we commit to continuity at the executive level, we must also secure stability within the legislature. The high turnover of senators and members over the years has come at a cost to governance, to lawmaking, and to public resources spent on constant training and retraining.
And then to APC, your story continues to resonate. So I want to thank God Almighty for His mercies upon your life and for what you have shown Nigeria, that it is better to suffer, to sacrifice, to be resilient, and at the end, to have good compatriots.
Today, being the APC National Convention 2026, it is a call for family gathering, APC family gathering, the delegates and the members to unite in one voice and work, strategize on how we are going to re-elect our president, PBAT, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, comes 2027. And the message is simple. Go back to your polling unit, go back to your ward, mobilize for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu because of what he has done.
President Bola Tinubu cautioned members of the ruling party against allowing personal ambitions to undermine collective interest, warning that internal divisions often weaken political parties more than opposition pressure.